Hello everybody. My name is Christian, and in this lesson I'm going to show you some practical solutions on how can you use existing AI or large language model chatbots to help you in your AC processes. So whether you're a construction professional or AC professional, I think these tools can help you greatly in your day-to-day processes, or maybe they can help you perform your tasks a bit better, or help you excel at your job, or maybe you're just a technology enthusiast and want to know does the technology or large language models can they even apply in the construction world. So I managed to find like four examples we will now look through. So I wanted to show you how can you use specifically ChatGPT, Gemini, Google AI Studio, and Perplexity to help you in your day-to-day tasks. So I think it is the best that we start with Google Gemini. So here, when you log in, you can. This is the regular login screen. You can see that you can attach images. So what we will do here is we will. I have three site examples. So I will attach site example one, and when I attached it, I will ask Gemini. Please analyze this construction site, and after you're done, please answer me the following questions. So I'll ask him the three questions: what object is being constructed, how many workers are on the image, and what construction machinery is present on the image, and we will see what it can do. So I just put up the image so you can see for yourself. Here's the image, and we will see what Gemini gives us. So the image is the building is being constructed. It recognized the steel framework. It recognized to be at least 5 workers. I mean, that's not accurate, but most of the workers were pretty small and in the background, so we will understand that it isn't that accurate. So for the image, for the second image, that is the image of the some construction materials being transported by a crane, and I will ask him to analyze the image, and after that I will ask him what construction process is happening here, and it told us that it analyzed, like, here's the picture, and it analyzed it was prefabricated construction. I mean, it recognized the cargo or the building materials as some prefabricated construction element. Prefabricated construction element where large prefabricated panels are being lifted and installed by crane. I mean, that is not as accurate as I would like, but yeah, it is what it is. I mean, if the picture was clear, or the cargo was zoomed in enough, I think it would perform better. And for the last image, I attached the third site. I put in the prompt, analyze this image and tell me how many levels does this building have. And the second question was, in what stage is it currently? So this is the picture. I mean, it has 4 levels, and yeah, levels based on the image. The building appears to have 4 levels, and and the building at the construction stage. The building is currently in the early stages of construction. For this third site, I think for this third site or the third image, I think it did pretty well. And yeah, next up, I wanted to show you maybe the most interesting one is the Google AI Studio. So in the Google AI Studio, you can experiment with different LLM models. You can also, there's an API documentation. You can connect your chatbots to some other application. It's very developer friendly, but what we are interested here is to try to get the AI to analyze videos. So here I will upload the file, construction site number 1. It's a video representing the construction site, and I asked it, what can you see on this video? And yeah, I will choose the Gemini 1.5 Pro because yeah, I tested this, and the Pro version is much more better than Flash, and yeah, we will use the 1.5 Pro for these purposes. What can you see on this video? It told me that it is an active construction site that was shot from a low angle, and that there are 2 cranes, one yellow and one green. And yeah, it got me interested in the next question that I wanted to ask it, at what timestamp or when does the yellow crane first appear? It said the yellow crane is partially visible in the opening shot of the video. However, the boom is obscured, and the whole crane becomes visible at the 3rd second. We will check if that is true. So yeah, if we look in the 3rd second, we can see the yellow crane in its full capacity. Next, I will tell it focus on the frame. Focus on the 7th second frame, and how many workers are visible at that moment. It told us at the 7th second of the video there are 2 workers visible on the top right screen, top right of the screen. That is not as correct, because the workers are actually at the bottom right corner of the screen. But if we can see, when I attach the video automatically transported into portrait mode. So yeah, it was like transported, so the workers are actually the AI analyzed it, so the workers are actually on the top right side of the screen, because the video was rotated by the 90-degree angle when it was attached. So that's all right. And the last question I think to discuss is I would like to know what construction activity are the workers doing. So I put in that prompt, and it sped out. It is difficult to tell precisely what they're doing. They seem to be overseeing, but I think in the video you can clearly see that they are tying the rebar, but of course the workers are so small, and the focus is not on that part of the video, and we can see that the AI did not recognize it. And yeah, I also wanted to experiment or find out what about workers in the time frame 13th at the center of the screen. What are they doing? and it also told us that they are working on the ground level, possibly preparing materials or equipment for lifting by the train, by the crane. Yeah, that is not as accurate, but close enough, I think. And the last thing that I wanted to show is the demo on how can use custom ChatGPT bot for your research, and how can you also use Perplexity AI to help you in your research purposes. So you can use ChatGPT like in a number of ways. To get to your custom instructions, you need to click on your profile, click customize GPT, and then you put in the custom instructions. So I put in that I started a project with the hope of coaching more LC professionals with the latest tech advancements in this sector, and my goal is to empower them, blah 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 blah. And I put also the link to my website, so ChatGPT could reference my website. And I also put in how would you like ChatGPT to respond. I put in please respond in professional tone and prioritize concrete data and answers. I want short, clear and concise text responses. And I wanted to demonstrate this. You can also put in the ChatGPT capabilities, web search, Dolly for image generation, to be code optimized, or for Canvas. And I wanted to showcase these custom instructions so you can see how the custom GPTs are made. Like here's a GPT store, but you can create your own ones if you have premium subscription. Here's my custom GPT. It's called AC Tech Mentor. It's available on my website, masterofdigital.com, and I optimized it to help you solve or to help you find AI solutions that can greatly benefit you in your day-to-day tasks. So it's like optimized for searching the best AI tools for your specific type of situation, or for your specific work tasks, or for your specific job description. So I asked him, I'm looking to optimize my project delivery, can you guide me? Yeah, he told me that you can use 5D bin for integrated delivery, digital twins, augmented reality, and I also put in the custom instructions to give me and provide me links to the tools. So you can see it's provided me a link for QPix, for XApps on Z Reality. So these are the working links. So I think it's a good thing. And next and the last one, I wanted to show you the Perplexity. It's more research based. I mostly use it to research my papers that I need to put in for my research and for my PhD. So yeah, for example, you can see here I put in find me the best cited research papers on implementation of AR on construction projects, and it searched the web, searched the Google, and it's pretty much provided me with six best cited research papers, and with links and everything. So I think these tools can definitely help you if you are in research like myself, and it's free to install, free to use, so why not? And here you can also see it has like a discover or news page, spaces where you can create your own GPTs or your own custom chatbots, and the library also, like the library with all the previous threads that you inputted. And the last thing I wanted to show you, this pro model. When you click on the pro model, I mean, it's for the like paid version, but you get three tokens to try it yourself. It searches better. It gives you more accurate results. It gives you larger number of results. So I inputted it. Find me best case studies on the topic of using AI for construction scheduling, and yeah, it searched and it found me a number of different case studies, LS Technologies case studies, Gent AI implementation, and plans predictive insights. So yeah, and it also provided the links. You can click on the links to go to the source. And believe it or not, I didn't plan this, but it also found my own article that I published for my client, Construction Industry AI, for the Gent AI implementation. So if I click on this link, it will lead me to my own article, Machine Learning Applied to Construction Scheduling. It's a webinar that I did with the founder of Gent AI. So yeah, I mean, it just works. So feel free to try it yourself, and I hope this can help you optimize your processes and can help you in your research or in different types of scenarios where you might need to extract some data from the images or from videos, and to find some other tools that can help you. And I really hope that this demonstration can help you optimize your processes. And believe it or not, these AI tools will just continue to refine, to be better. So I think it is time to get a hold of this and to start learning, because to be honest, this can save you a bunch of time. So thank you everybody for watching and staying with me through this demo lesson. And yeah, we will see each other in some other lessons. Thank you and bye bye.